Do not call, do not email. These are not for sale. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Oh, fancy. Tell you what, we really had to say that at the beginning, didn't we?
We do.
So, what's the deal?
So this is, you've got to take this as an educational video or as a fun video. This is not a sales video in any form.
Yep.
So don't call in about what you're seeing here. Don't email. Don't come into the shop and expect to be able to buy it or anything of those things. We'll probably even delay the release of this video to make sure that the stuff has been cleaned out of the shop. So it will not be available.
That's right.
Can't overemphasize that because Ruben's crusty enough with me for showing this. But this is more the I was going to say the bird's eye view, but that's the wrong term. But the voyeurism, if you like, in all of us that wants to see what gets sold back into the store.
Absolutely.
And you've seen our epic buy backings. This is kind of an epic buy backings, but it's purely the gold. We grabbed the pot of buyback gold stuff before it had been processed properly and all that sort of stuff.
Look at this.
And we're going to upend it.
This is the ultimate tease. Is that what I should call the video? The ultimate tease or something? Yeah. Look at it. So it is such good stuff.
You can see the variety that we get in at any one time of sellbacks. So we'll open that one in a minute because that one looks interesting.
Yeah, okay.
But you get your standard basics. So that's a 100 gram Perth mint.
Yep.
There'll be various sizes. That'll be a 5 grammer.
Yep.
You know, a few more 5 grammers in there.
Yep.
You know, that will be another 100 grammer by the weight of it.
Yeah.
Even big boys.
So your stock standard. Is that a 10 ounce?
Yeah, they're two 10 ounce bars. So we get those sold back in.
Cool.
You get some variety. You can see here there's a PAMP. Please, again, don't call in. Don't stop by. Don't expect to be able to pick them up.
The box is not available to look through.
Correct.
No.
Oh, it's a lady for tuna.
Cool.
They're always popular.
We're really annoying people now. It's like, look at all this cool stuff.
But you
like
can't
what you see, you can look, but you can't buy.
Look, it will already have been processed through. This is just purely just out of interest, so you can see what comes in. These always crack me up, even though they're bars. I love them because they're the old style
the old
Perth
green
mints.
ones. Yeah,
the old green ones that you don't get anymore.
That's right.
So you get all those minted bars. You also, if I dig to the bottom here, you get cast bars. So that'll be a ½ ounce ABC by the look of it.
Yep.
That's
right, that's right.
That's the other ABC.
Yep. That one on the right's not an ABC, but that's right.
So all sorts of different things. That's a locally produced ½ ounce.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get these in. This is actually from, if it's the one I think it is, it is. So you get something like this, which is produced out of the UAE.
Oh, cool.
United Arab Emirates.
Yep.
So actually comes in, it's a minted bar, so it actually comes in a case normally. And
if it's just someone sold it to us, sans case.
Cash.
Yeah, fair enough.
Oh, 1 grammer, like little maple gram.
Yep.
There's a bag of, we better.
And then you get, there's some more bars there, but then you get,
clear the bars.
Then you get the coins.
You do, and they'll be in all sorts of various condition. Joe pointed one out to me when we were just getting ready for this.
I did.
So this is a 2 ounce tiger, and you're going, what on earth?
Yep.
So to give it a time context, this has only been just released. It's the start of 2022.
Yeah.
This was released late last year.
Yeah.
This is the lunar year of the tiger.
Yeah.
Now this one's in buyback because someone sold it back, and my suspicion is the condition of it. If you could actually hold it in your hand, it's in good nick, but I suspect someone's actually opened the capsule and fondled the coin.
Yep.
Because you can see, I can't remember which side it was, but when I looked at it before, you could almost see a thumbprint over in this area here.
A tiny little bit of toning, I think.
Yeah.
It's imperceptible, but you can kind of pick it out.
So we get new buybacks, if you like.
Yeah.
We also get old ones. There'll be old, like that'll be an old kangaroo.
Find the one that I saw before, which was the 2 ouncer. You know the one I'm thinking about?
Yeah,
it's in there.
So you can see there's platinum in this one.
Yep.
As well as other stuff.
Look at that rooster.
A rooster and a mouse. Don't call. They're not available.
Not call. They are not available.
Before you're already jumping up and down.
Nope.
These are no longer available, so don't stress.
We just like to tease you.
No,
ooh, a swan. Is that a swan?
It is a swan.
Woo! Where is it? Is it in that?
Must be. It'll be that one right there.
Okay. But I did see that just before, and yeah, that's the one.
So that's a 2002 2 ounce nugget.
A 2002 2 ounce nugget. That is amazing. We'll just tell that customer very kindly. Just give us a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, they're fine. Yep. Cool. They're
that's
easy.
all good.
Usually that happens quite a lot. Where we'll just say, "Oh, do you mind?" But they know that we do the YouTube stuff, so they're happy to wait.
So you'll find all sorts of, like, we get in all sorts of coins and bars, old condition, new condition. The Ox is only just, is that last year's? Yeah, the Ox was last year.
Yeah.
But this is a Series 2 Ox, not a Series 1 Ox.
Right.
Sorry, not a Series 3 Ox.
What's that one?
That's a Series 2.
Oh, is that a Series 2 Ox?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh, you're right too.
So
very cool.
We get foreign stuff in, so that's a Krugerrand, a South African Krugerrand.
Yep.
Comes in. And I've got to open this one here. So sometimes we get in this unusual stuff, and I'd love to have the knowledge to be able to tell you more about it.
Look at that.
I very wisely said to...
can you flip it up on its...
What are you looking for?
There we go. That's what I'm looking for. There, I want that. Look at that.
So I said to, I think it was Joe before, oh, that's all right, I'll just pull out this piece of paper, it'll tell us exactly what it is.
Yep.
So if someone can interpret that for me, that would be excellent.
We have over 17,000 subscribers. Someone knows what that says. So if you can pause it and basically let us know what that
you don't have to go word for word, just give us an idea of if it's a receipt.
Is there anything else on the other side?
No.
Let us know. Let us know what it says, please. Pop a comment below. But that's 24 carat as far as I'm aware. That's beautiful.
It is stunning.
That's really, really cool.
So I don't even know if I've got it upside down, which is really sad.
No, I'm not joking. If I had the spare, I would get that myself because it's just a great little piece. However, not for sale.
Not for sale.
You cannot. Please don't call. Please don't email through saying, "Oh, I know you said not for sale, but look, there's just a little one there." No, we can't even.
It's already been processed. It's already been done. It's gone.
Yep.
They've either been sent. Some of these, actually, of these, I don't think any of them. Some of them go for melt sometimes because they're in such bad condition.
Some do.
Not the coins, but some of the bars that come in can be really knocked around.
Yep.
I'm actually surprised we didn't have any of these that were knocked around. Some of them will be sold out, and some of them will go to my personal collection.
Yeah. So we may even not release this for maybe a week or something like that.
Even longer than that.
I
don't know.
Quite possibly.
I'll argue that one out later.
Yeah, fair enough. But we just wanted to whet your appetite and just let you know what comes in. And obviously, if you want to sell back, we buy most things back, almost everything back at spot price.
Yeah.
And even those 10-ounce ones, would we have bought those back at spot?
We would.
Even those ones? Yeah, we would.
Those ones. Our company policy is to not.
Yeah.
But at the moment, there's quite a bit of demand for them. So we're actually, if we've got the demand, we're happy to pass the higher buyback price onto our customers.
Yep. So, but still spot though, not higher than spot. Fantastic. Well, I hope you're suitably teased. We apologise at the end of this video. We apologise, but again, it's this is the stuff that comes in. So what that means is, next time you're in, if you're after some potential buyback gold, it's not going to be any of this, but you can say, hey, got any stuff? And if we do,
Well, the guys aren't happy to rat through. You can't come in and say, I want a 1987 1-ounce gold nugget. They're not going to do that.
No.
Because it takes too much time to keep track of
Well,
all
it's all treated like a lucky dip.
Yeah.
You just say, I want 1 ounce buyback gold, and we just find a 1 ounce thing, go, bloop, that's yours. You don't get to choose.
Yeah, but if you're happy, you're coming in, you want to buy an ounce of gold, and you don't care if it's buyback, so someone's already handled it prior to you and stored it in their safe, you can say to Ruben or Brett or whoever's in the store, have any buyback 1 ounce? Oh yeah, we've got some, or no, we haven't.
Yep.
And then it's not a case of, what have you got? No, it's a case of, well, I'll take a buyback because I don't care what the brand is or the shape is, or anything along those lines.
And you just might get lucky. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows what you end up with.
Cool. All right, that is a veritable treasure trove of stuff, which is not for sale. Do not call. Do not email. It's gone. We'll put this in a time capsule or something and just release it then, auto-release, once it's open in 200 years' time.
Yeah.
Not for sale. But head over to bullionnow.com.au for all the stuff that is for sale. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.